Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, my recipe notebook. Hope all are doing good. Today I am trying a dates and a carrot cake. This is very soft and made by adding dates, carrot and some dry fruits. And kids will really love this. While baking, it's important to take a measuring cup. Here I have taken half cup of sugar with 3 cloves and a small piece of cinnamon. First powder all this. The next step is to make sugar caramelize. Take 3 tablespoons of sugar in a pan. Melt it. After sugar is completely dissolved and caramelized, add 1 tablespoon of water, switch off the flame, keep this aside. Now take a bowl, add the powdered sugar, adding half cup of brown sugar, give a mix. One-fourth cup of sunflower oil, 2 eggs, and next goes caramel syrup which we have prepared. By adding caramel, it gives good color to the cake. Now keep on mixing till the sugar gets nicely mixed. We can either add a cup of white sugar or else, as I have added, half cup of white sugar and a half cup of brown sugar. Add a few drops of vanilla essence. Now adding dry ingredients. 1 cup of refined flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now give a quick sift. By sifting, it breaks down any lumps in the flour and make the cake extra light and fluffy. Now give a nice mix. Add a cup of chopped dates, 1 cup of grated carrot, now add any dry fruits like cashew, almond or raisins. Here I am adding black raisins. Now pour this batter into the cake mold. Here I am using a silicone mold. Just give a tap to remove any air bubbles. And on the top adding some choco chips. Now goes into the oven 180 degree for 30 minutes. Now the cake is perfectly baked.